riding today. We got Team Millie Wops in front of me. We got Oodles Noodles behind me. Oh, we just both ran over that snake. Poor guy. We're gonna try this one. This line looks a little bit less sketch. Oh, Rudy going for the pass. Hell yeah. So close.
Hey, good job, Booty.
How's it going? So one of the main goals for today, there is a hill climb tucked back in the woods in here somewhere. We just gotta find it. Dude, there's trails all over the place. I'm not really sure which ones to follow. Woo! Gotta be skinny to make it through there. Oh, dude, these trails are sweet. As long as you find the right ones. Flowy trails are like my favorite type of riding. So goal number one is find the hill climb that I know is back here. I did it years ago. But goal number two, just find the flowy trails and have fun, man. It's been so long since I rode trails. I want to find the flow, keep up with this guy, whoever he is. It's fun riding with people. I don't know the guy in front of me. I don't know what bike he's on. It's definitely a KTM Enduro model. I would definitely benefit from a little bit softer suspension in through here. But this 150, I got a, oh, that molly hurt. This 150, I got Electron carb on this thing. And man, it lugs so nice. Normally small bore two strokes, you got to keep them revved out constantly to go anywhere. But this thing in the woods is so nice. It's so lightweight and you can lug it, but then you can still get on it and scream it when you have to. This guy's basically our personal chauffeur. I'm loving it. Giving us a little piggyback around the trails. For someone who hasn't been through here, doesn't know where it's going, you kind of need that sometimes. Woo. And it's all nice and sandy through here. The soil is looking like mint. Stop. I'm pretty sure the hill climb's right there. Like I said, I'm pretty positive. My memory tells me that the hill climb is right here. Yes, for sure. I just gotta find which way I want to go down. This way. Oh. Stand and be hard on the brakes. That's rocky. That's really rocky. Yeah! Let's go, Oodles!
I don't have much run up over here, but I'll try.
Chose the worst line.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, dude!
Wheelie boy! Oh!
Nice!
No way, I just shoved my goggles into a spider web. Oh my gosh, there's spider webs all over me. And they're egg sacs. Let's go, Team Millie! There he is, trying to ride the wheelie the whole way up. Woo! Oh! Sketch! Ready? Looks like there's different hills over here. Dang, it's dark. I can hardly see. Taylor's going for this climb. There's a little mud puddle here that's going to jump over first. Yeah. Got to stick to the outside. Yeah, you got to bunny hop this. This is like a swamp. There you go. Took all of his momentum. But cruise right over those roots. Yoink. You made that shit look easy.
That was fun, dude. There you go. Go. Oh! Oh! Dude! Nice save, but yo, there's a tree right there.
I saw it. A little bit late, but I saw it. Well, I made it. It wasn't pretty, but I made it. Oh, man. Now I gotta just lug it all the way up and burn my clutch. That one was even less pretty. I just made it worse and worse.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting harder to get through.
Well, I'm afraid that if I try to do the yacht, I'm gonna like land in the soft shit and yeah, that's why you're standing right there, get the money shot. And this dirt smells like dog shit. And then I almost fall afterwards, of course. This is totally a lame excuse, but this motocross suspension is kicking my ass. It is beating my hands up so hard. When you ride stiff suspension in the woods, man, it don't feel the greatest. Like I'm bouncing off of everything. But if I had the ability to ride trails like this all the time, I'd definitely have a woods bike, because this is like my favorite type of dirt bike ride. This is awesome. I gotta find more trails around where I live, so I don't have to travel so far to find them. I totally see why people ride two-strokes a lot in the woods versus four-strokes though. The lightweightness and the low idle makes it like feel really flowy when you're in the woods. Although Taylor's in front of me on his Husky 350, and that thing seems to be tractoring. Oh, all right, everybody, that's going to be the end of the moto vlog. I really hope you enjoyed that trail riding video. If you did enjoy it, please leave it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Peace.